In the today's session, we are going to talk about what type of discussion or questions may ask in the client round interview. I have already uploaded a couple of videos. So what is a client round interview? Okay, what if you fail in the client round interview? Okay, so those type of queries I have already uploaded in our YouTube channel. If you are not watched those videos, you can go through our playlist and you can watch them as well. Okay, but in this session we are going to talk about what type of topics and what type of discussion happens during client round interview. Okay, I'm not going to talk about what is client round interview, who is client and who is service provider. I'm not going to discuss about those things. See friends, in the client round interview, the client may use to ask these type of questions. The first one is, first the client wants to know what is your previous experience. That means your past experience, what type of projects you have done and what type of technical skills and some domain knowledge you have and what type of time management skills you have. He wants to know these type of entry questions in his first three entry questions. Anyhow, everyone knows what is the first entry questions in any of the entry round. Tell me about yourself. That is, everyone knows. And the next entry questions you may ask like how many projects you have done. Okay, and how many and how much relevant IT experience you have on particular IT skills. We definitely ask these questions as well. And what type of challenges you faced and how you overcome those challenges. Can you tell me two scenarios where you struggle a lot? And what type of bugs or errors you feel very difficult? Can you tell me any scenario where you helped your colleagues? Have you involved to solve any colleague problems who are facing from long time? So the client asks these type of entry questions as well. Whether your skills matching to our current project or not, can it able to handle this project or not? So the client will check all these things by asking these type of questions. So especially he used to check what is your past experience, how much IT relevant how much IT experience there, how much relevant IT experience there on particular skill set, and what type of problems you faced and how you resolve those problems. So if you properly answer one or two scenarios, whatever problems or challenges you faced during the project, your previous experience projects, then the client definitely impressed on you. He definitely hire you. But you have to answer some tricky entry questions. That challenges might be very tricky, but you resolve those tricky problems in a simple way by implementing your analytical thinking or logical thinking. Then the client definitely impressed on your skills, your logical thinking, your analytical thinking, your problem solving thinking. In the client round interview, maximum you can expect some behavioral entry questions. So the client will also check your attitude skills and your time management skills, okay, and your behavior as well. So along with that, your technical experience. So the client will not ask in-depth technical entry questions. What technical skills you have experienced in your previous project and your current project, and how much the candidate is interesting to do these type of projects and how much interested to join in this new company. So he wants to check those skills only, and what IT skills you have worked on, okay, and your behavioral entry question and your attitude entry question and your time management entry questions. Okay, so these type of questions is to ask to know about the profile. Your comments are definitely helpful our viewers as well. I hope this information is very helpful for all our viewers as well as who are working as a software professionals. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.